Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I didn't have much time to film, so it's already like 5 o'clock and I have to edit tomorrow's video. I have to tell you, this whole vlogmas thing is really confusing me. All of my days are so mixed up because I'm like filming for one day, editing for another, and then uploading. It's just a mess. I figured something that I could film that would be fun to watch, that I did talk about in yesterday's video, was how I'm going to wrap my gifts this year, because I always have a lot of fun. I showed you guys some of the things that I picked up from Target and Michael's yesterday. I have some stuff from last year I can use, and maybe a few other things that are lying around. So hopefully this can serve as some inspo for you for when you are wrapping your gifts. Let's go wrap some gifts.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.